Hey everyone, welcome to VisualFractions. In today's video, we're going to cover everything you need to know about multiplying fractions. Now, if you've ever felt like fractions are tricky, I've got great news for you. Multiplying fractions is one of the easiest operations to handle. It's simpler than adding or subtracting fractions because you don't have to find a common denominator. We've got 5 examples today, and by the end, you'll see how quick and easy fraction multiplication can be. Here's how multiplying fractions works. There are just 3 steps. Multiply the numerators. Multiply the denominators. Simplify, if possible. Let's jump into the examples. First up, we've got 1/2 multiplied by 1/2. We multiply the numerators. 1 times 1 equals 1. Then, multiply the denominators. 2 times 2 equals 4. So, 1/2 times 1/2 equals 1/4. And that's already in its simplest form, nice and easy. Next, let's try 3/5 multiplied by 4/6. Multiply the numerators. 3 times 4 equals 12. Multiply the denominators. 5 times 6 equals 30. So we get 12/30ths, but wait. This fraction can be simplified. Both 12 and 30 are divisible by 6. So when we simplify, we get 2/5. Now let's move on to 3/4 multiplied by 2/5. Multiply the numerators. 3 times 2 equals 6. Multiply the denominators. 4 times 5 equals 20. That gives us 6/20ths, and if we simplify, both numbers can be divided by 2, so we get 3/10. For this one, we've got 7/8 multiplied by 3/9. Multiply the numerators. 7 times 3 equals 21. Multiply the denominators. 8 times 9 equals 72. So we get 21/72. If we simplify that by dividing both numbers by 3, we end up with 7/24, which is as simple as it gets. And if you need a bit more help with simplification, we've got a whole video that walks you through that step in detail. The link is in the description, so feel free to check it out. Lastly, we have 5/6 multiplied by 2/7. Multiply the numerators. 5 times 2 equals 10. Multiply the denominators. 6 times 7 equals 42. That gives us 10/42, and since both can be divided by 2, we simplify it down to 5/21. This one can't be simplified any further, so that's our final answer. And that's it. See how simple it is to multiply fractions. Multiply the top numbers, multiply the bottom numbers, and simplify if possible. If you found this helpful, please like and hit the subscribe button and check out the description for more useful resources on fraction multiplication. And if you have any other fraction-related questions, head over to VisualFractions.com. It's got everything you need. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.